In this video, we are showing how to make clay birdhouse at home. So you can see our pottery wheel is running and we are using iron. So we are making a bird nest, breeding bird house. You can see, please like and share. And we are making a circle bird house. You can see, and we will hot this in poetry. Please like and share and subscribe. How to make bird house, परिंदों वाले डोली परिंदों वाले घर कैसे बनाते हैं. Please like and share and subscribe. This is clay bird house, making bird house. How to make clay house, how to make house at home, pottery skills. Like, share and subscribe. Please like and share. You can see this is ready for bird house, and we will make hole, bird crossing hole we will make in next video. Like, share and subscribe.